like to show you the light source of our 50-watt LED probe light. Actually, the heat conduction of this lamp is completely okay because we have the temperature rising test report. Our 50-watt LED probe light uses EMC 3030 LEDs. EMC is now a new technology in the market. The finished product can reach up to 100 lumen per watt, almost the same like current LEDs. And its advantage is with high temperature resistance, UV resistance, and 50,000 hour long lasting. Those information all we got is from LM80 report approved by USA Energy Star. And its light decrease is only 3.14% under 85 centigrade with the light on in 6,000 hours. That means you use the lamp for 2 years with 12 hours a day. It's a 3% difference compared with the new lamp. We can show you the test report. And also, EMC is 1.5 times thinner than the normal one like PLCC. Anyway, if you want to know more about our 50-watt LED probe light, such as the heat conduction, the LEDs, the drivers, you are free to contact with me. Thank you.